Welcome to this grounding meditation. This is one of the most powerful ways to connect deeply with the earth, releasing any negative or stagnant energy into her nurturing embrace. The earth will transform this energy, feeding it back to you as positive, revitalizing energy. This practice will leave you feeling balanced, cleansed, and fully rooted in your natural power. Before we get ready, I would like to point out that mankind has not been appreciating all the free love energy and resources we get from Mother Earth. We have taken without giving back. We will take some time to send her our love and appreciation, in which you will be guided. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently and bring your attention inward. Let the outside world fade as you turn your focus to your inner space. Begin by noticing your breath. Feel the cool air entering through your nose and the warm air leaving as you exhale. Let's deepen the breath now. Inhale deeply through your nose for a count of 4. Hold that breath for 7 seconds. Then exhale slowly, as if blowing through a straw, for 8 seconds. Repeat this for about 10 rounds, allowing each exhale to release any tension or heaviness from your body. Let your body relax and sink deeper with each breath. I will be back with you after. Now shift your focus to your tailbone, the base of your spine. Imagine a vibrant cord of energy sprouting from this point. This cord can look or feel however you imagine, perhaps like roots of a tree, a golden thread, or a glowing beam of light. Picture this energy cord beginning to grow downward, extending from your tailbone into the ground beneath you. With each breath, see it pushing deeper and deeper. As it moves, imagine it weaving its way through the soil, past the roots of trees and plants. Feel it connecting to the vast network of nature. Your energy cord continues to grow, reaching through layers of earth and stone. Visualize it moving closer to the Earth's core, a radiant, glowing center of pure energy. When it finally reaches this core, feel it anchoring securely. Now, with your energy cord fully connected, imagine releasing any negative energy, tension, or heaviness through this cord. With each exhale, feel that energy flowing downward, leaving your body and traveling through the cord into the Earth's core. You might start to notice a tingling sensation in your feet. This is the magnetic pull. The Earth takes this energy and transforms it, cleansing and renewing it. On your next inhale, feel the Earth sending back pure, revitalizing energy. It begins to flow upward through your cord and into your body. Visualize this energy rising up through your cord. As it flows, feel it nourishing every part of your being. It moves up through the soil, past the roots, and back into your body at your tailbone. As this energy enters, feel it spreading, filling your legs, your torso, your arms, and your head. Imagine it as a warm, golden light or a soothing wave of calm. Feel the energy refreshing and empowering you, balancing your mind, body, and spirit. Take a moment to feel the fullness of this connection. You are deeply rooted, supported, and energized. Thank the Earth for her nurturing energy and for helping you release what no longer serves you. You can do this by entering your heart space. Feel a deep feeling of appreciation and picture pushing this energy to the Earth via the energy cord grown from your tailbone.